Today we're going to be talking about our Instagram account and unfortunately the closure of the Facebook account. So unfortunately we had to close the Facebook account because it was linked to a moderator's profile, and that moderator is unfortunately no longer with us, so we had to delete the page because we couldn't liberate it from their profile. It was not particularly busy in there, but that was just due to a logistical issue at the time. But we now have an Instagram account. It's pretty much linked to Facebook in a weird way anyway. We've got the Instagram account. We launched it this weekend. Not much on there at the moment, we're just filling out the basics. We've got the YouTube channel trailer on there, and we're going to be starting to upload some pictures. And one of the first things we're going to be putting up on there is this. It's an old Woolworths Christmas catalogue from the late 90s or possibly early 2000s. We're going to be putting all these pictures onto the Instagram page for you to scrutinise up closely. Some nice interesting artifacts in here. Got Christmas trees, decorations, design ideas, but they also have these. Lots of pictures of Christmas lights with names and prices. Also gives you an idea to the kind of era that they're from. We have a couple of sets of these. But yeah, if you have Instagram on your phone, the handle is exactly the same as everything else. It's Vintage Christmas Lights UK. There's a little underscore at the end because apparently the Vintage Christmas Lights UK profile is already taken on Instagram, and yet there's no profile for it anywhere. But you'll find it if you search for Vintage Christmas Lights UK, all one word, no spaces, and I believe you can find it with spaces or at Vintage Christmas Lights UK. Very easy to find. You won't have any trouble finding the profile. One of the things we are going to be doing with this account is we're going to start uploading in alphabetical order every single picture from the archive. We'll be doing photo dumps on there, maybe do a weekly photo dump of a particular set of lights so you can all start to enjoy the extensive archive we have. It'll probably only take us about 6,500 years to actually upload every single picture that we got on the archive, but hopefully you'll stick around and watch them all. Anyway, that's pretty much all we got for you today. Just to shout out the new socials, and hopefully you can all jump along and follow us on there, and we'll catch you on the next one.